The drone. Controller. Spare parts. Carefully unfold the drone, starting with the front legs, then the rear. Next, you can ready your controller. Now you are ready to turn on the drone and controller. To turn on the drone, press on the power button located on the battery twice. The first time will light up the battery, and the second time press and hold until the battery lights begin the startup sequence. Calibrating the drone is very important. The controller will show you information regarding the drone's battery, controller battery, GPS signal, height of the drone, and distance of the drone. Press and hold the camera button on the top right-hand side until the drone beeps. Then follow the video. You will hear an audible beep when horizontal calibration is complete. Then rotate the drone to face upward and rotate until the drone beeps. Calibration is complete. Next up, remove the camera cover carefully. The camera is stabilized by a sensitive 3-axis gimbal. Now we have to calibrate the camera. Press and hold the button on the top left until you hear an audible beep from the drone. The camera will align itself horizontally. Now we are ready to take off. For the instructional video, we will have to turn off the GPS. Then, pull the thumbsticks as shown. It is important to note, this model is designed to be flown outside. Keep the GPS on and wait for the controller to show 8 or more connections next to the GPS before taking off. All of the controller functions can be found on the card that covered the controller. It's a handy quick reference guide. You can connect your phone to the drone by downloading the appropriate app and connecting to the drone's Wi-Fi as shown, and make sure to select to keep Wi-Fi connection. If you have already followed all the prior steps, you can tap on Start Play to see the drone's camera. You can tap SD on the top to change the FPV view to high definition or back to standard definition. You can also calibrate the drone through the app, through the Calibrate menu, and follow the directions on screen. You will hear an audible beep when horizontal calibration is complete. Then rotate the drone to face upward and rotate until the drone beeps. Calibration is complete.